Ever wish you had an extra set of hands? Well, Earl's and Cleco Fasteners might just be your new best friend. Clecos are reusable fasteners that can be used to securely hold materials together before permanently mounting them. Use them to temporarily fasten sheet metal, plexiglass, carbon fiber, fiberglass, or Lexan, as well as other materials. You can also use them to position standoffs, brackets, or bracing before you weld. Clecos are blind fasteners, so they're perfect for those hard-to-reach areas, even if you don't have access to the back side. Earl's Cleco kits are available in 1/8 inch and 3/16 inch diameters, and our kits include 10 Clecos, as well as the specialized pliers needed to install and remove them. Depending on your project needs, additional Clecos can be purchased in convenient packs of 10 for larger jobs. They're so easy to use, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Just position your workpiece and install the Cleco fasteners after each mounting hole is drilled. Earl's Clecos have a 1/4 inch grip range and expand on the backside of the workpieces, drawing the workpiece together while maintaining a perfect alignment. This temporary fastening solution allows you the freedom to reposition and adjust your workpiece before permanently mounting it. You also have the ability to remove the panel, allowing you to deburr and clean any metal shavings that might have otherwise been trapped behind your work, preventing a flush fit. During final assembly, the Clecos are removed and replaced with rivets, bolts, or screws to permanently attach the workpiece. Or you can plug weld the hole shut if the panel is going to be welded in. Take the frustration out of your next fabrication project with a Cleco kit from Earl's. Thanks for watching. To learn more about our full line of Cleco fasteners and tools, visit our website at earls.com.